All right, I'm gonna show you how to do the number 2 on your technique page that you should have glued in your sketchbook. It's this vertical striped one. Right here it's with green and blue, and I'm gonna show you a little example with this pink color and this cream color. So with the pink color, I've started it and I've left about 2 inches just hanging off the side here, over under, just a simple weave with the pink color. And then I've gone right on top of that, same thing, left a little 2-inch tail and woven opposite. So the pink I started under, so this cream color I started over my warp string. So you're going to push that down. You can use a fork or your fingers like I'm using here. And then to make it go vertical, I'm gonna take my pink thread and I've just tied it onto my paper clip. My other color is tied onto my plastic needle that I've got here. So you just tie it and you leave a little bit of a tail. Don't tie it too tight because you are going to want to get it off. So once you've got the first 2 down, one of each color, I'm going to go, so this, or the pink one ended over, so I need to go under the one that I have left, just so it grabs it, and then I'm going to go over this string because the last one I did was under. So then I'm just going to continue to do the simple over, under, weave. You won't be able to really tell that it's making the vertical stripes until you do a few of each color. So if you have questions, let me know, watch the video again. So once you've woven it all the way through to the end, you're gonna carefully pull so that it kind of grabs this. So you'll push down and then leave your one color to the side over here, and then you'll start with this color right here. So it went, the last one, the pink one went over, so I'm gonna start under and just start going over and under, keeping that pattern all the way until we get to the other end. And then I'll show you one more time how we're going to make sure, and again, okay, so here's a good thing. I was pulling too fast, and so it got knotted up. What you're gonna do, don't keep pulling, very carefully, just kind of unravel it and start pulling slow. It's getting tangled again. I need to bring it out and just slow down. This happens a lot when your strings are really long, so you just need to slow down and pay attention to what you're doing. So this is really gonna be a good vertical stripe if you push down your weft threads. Okay, either using your fingers like I am here or your fork. So I've got, this was the one I just ended on. I'm gonna pick up my pink string. I've put down my last one, and this one's going under. We're gonna go over this last string, and then we're gonna start with our weave again. Just simple over and under. So that one was, that last one right here is over. So we're gonna go under this one. Make sure you're over this last string here. And then you just keep going. And that is the vertical stripe.